Now I want to show you a tool that we will be using to help us with our mitosis project. What I would like you to do is go to Google. You're going to type in stop motion animator. You'll see a bunch of animators up top, but I want you to go to the first link, stop motion animator. You'll see here that it gives you a quick overview of the tools. There's a frame, so you could see each of these have a frame. Capture, which allows you to take the picture that you would like to use. Undo, which allows you to take that picture away. Play and stop, which allows you to look at your video and play and stop where you would like. Clear, where you can clear your entire stop motion animation. So what I would like you to do is you're going to go to download. In this case, I already have it downloaded, so I'm going to hit launch. And I have a piece of paper here with me. And I'm going to put my turtle. And I'm going to hit capture. And let's say I turn my turtle. Capture. I have my turtle go up. Capture. I have him go down. Capture. So let's take a look when we push play at what the turtle is doing. That went a little fast. So let's slow it down. It goes over, up, and down. Over, up, and down. You guys will be utilizing this tool to help you create projects just like that. So if you could use this time to download the app and explore, we'll get ready for our next step.